my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So in this video, my hair is like not behaving. So anyways, in this video, we're going to talk about the difference between selling health insurance and selling life insurance. And I'm going to talk about why I love selling health insurance versus life insurance. Some people love the life insurance side, some people love the Medicare, some people love both. I like to do both, but my baby is the health insurance side all the way. So if you want to know the difference, I'm gonna chill and calm down because I get a little excited, you know. So anyways, if you want to know the difference, keep watching this video. So we're gonna talk about three main differences, okay? We're going to talk about commission, okay, how you get paid. We're also going to talk about the product itself, like who is more interested? Are people more interested in health insurance or life insurance? And we're also going to talk about marketing, lead generation, like how to market for these two different products, health insurance versus life insurance. First, let's start with commission because we all want to know how we're going to get paid. So guys, I am talking about independent agents when I'm talking about life insurance and Medicare insurance. I'm not talking about agents that work for a company. All right, so let's start with commissions, and we're going to start with health insurance. And when I say health insurance, I'm talking about Medicare insurance. I'm also talking about Obamacare insurance and just health insurance in general when you're selling that product. Okay, so when it comes to selling Medicare and Obamacare insurance, it's not about that first year of commission. It's all about residual, okay? It's all about that residual income. It's all about that snowball effect. Everyone needs health insurance at some point in their life. Even if they go through their adult life and not get health insurance, at some point you're going to need it as you get older because the chances of our health declining the older we get is a lot greater than when you're young and healthy. So health insurance is something that everyone will need eventually, okay? Now, when it comes to life insurance, it's not something that people really, go out and seek, if they're not really educated about it, if their family are not big on life insurance, if their friends, people are not really talking about life insurance like they're talking about health insurance, okay? So anyways, let's first talk about the commission. Okay, when it comes to selling Medicare or selling health insurance like Obamacare or under 65 health insurance, like I said, it's all about the commission. So if you're selling a Medicare product to a client that's turning 65, brand new to Medicare, and you sell them a Medicare Advantage plan, you're going to get about $573 for most states. Now, the following year, you're going to get about $23.91 per month as long as they are your client. If it's something like Obamacare, you won't get like an upfront commission. You'll just be getting residual income every month while the person is on the plan. So maybe let's round it up to like $20 per month per client. It depends on the insurance carrier. It may be $20 per client or $30 per client. So if you enroll a husband and wife on a plan, then you're getting $40 a month for that household for Obamacare. So like I said, when it comes to health insurance, it's not about that upfront commission, it's about that residual income. So you want to build your book of business because the more you have as clients, the more money that you will make. Now, when it comes to life insurance, it's all about that upfront commission because the residual side of it is not as strong. If you do get residual income from life insurance, it will eventually taper off, right? Now, when it comes to like selling Medicare supplement, yes, those residuals can actually taper off as well, depending on the insurance company. But let's just stick to Medicare Advantage versus life insurance for this part of this video. So like I said, with life insurance, you're going to get that big upfront commission. Let's just give it a very clean number. Say that policy is about $100 per month, $1,200 for that year. You're going to get that first 1 year commission. First, you get 75% of it, and then you get the rest during month 10, 11, and 12. Of course, they have to keep their policy for you to get that. So let's just say for the life insurance, you made a good $750 for your average policy. So every time you write a policy, say you're getting $750, $1,000, $1,200, or whatever the case may be. So when it comes to life insurance, it's all about that upfront commission. And Medicare is about the smaller residual income. Obamacare is about the smaller residual income as well. With Medicare and Obamacare, it's really about numbers, right? You want to have as many clients as you can because that residual income will play a very big part of you being very successful when it comes to the money side of it. So like I said, say you have about 350 Medicare and Obamacare clients, then you would be making about $100,000 in residual income. And that's why I love the insurance part of it, because I do like that residual income. So that's the difference when it comes to commission, your pay versus health insurance and life insurance. I'm gonna go over it one more time. When it comes to health, it's about these small little residual checks for each client. When it comes to life, it's about that big dollar bill check. So that's the difference between the two. Now let's talk about the product itself. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here is a afterthought. So here I go. All right, so quick story. Some of you guys may know I went ahead and contract with Obamacare because I figure if I'm sitting with a client that's 65, 9 times out of 10, wife or spouse may be a little younger and they still need insurance. So I said, let me get Obamacare so that way if the wife is, 62, 50 something, whatever the case may be, I could still help her get insurance, right? Because she could have been on her husband's insurance. Now I got both of them covered. And when she turned 65, I could go ahead and help her with her Medicare. So that's why I went ahead and contract with Obamacare. Okay, so a friend of mine sent me a DM. She was like, hey, Patricia, I see that you're helping people with insurance, and I trust you, and my family and myself need health insurance. Can you help us out? And I said, well, I do sell Obamacare. I could offer Obamacare. She was like, no, I had a bad experience with Obamacare. I don't want Obamacare. Cool. All right, no problem. I said, you know what? Since I don't have any other contracts, I'm going to go ahead and just go on my Medicare group and see if somebody wants this lead. Anyways, I went ahead and posted on my Medicare Facebook group, and I was like, hey guys, I have someone that needs help with insurance. And let me tell you, within seconds of that post, I was flooded with DMs. So many people was trying to get that lead. And I was like, why so many people want this lead? Like, what's the big deal, right? So my upline for Obamacare, he sent me a message. He was like, Patricia, do not give up this lead. You can get the contract. The contract is so easy to do. The policy is so easy to write. So I was like, okay, cool. I knew something was up with so many DMs, but I wasn't 100% sure why so many people wanted that lead. So I went ahead, I got the contract, got it within a few days. I researched what she wanted, rolled her up, took about 15 minutes to do the application. And when I got paid, guys, I could not believe how much I get paid for this one policy. And I will put it up on the screen so that way you guys can see for yourself. $202 every single month, guys. Do the math. She has that policy for 1 year. She loves it and she's going to renew it next year. Do the math. It's so sad to me that people keep this at a hush. You don't see that many YouTube videos talking about Obamacare sales and health insurance sales. Medicare just became a thing, actually, about Medicare sales and things like that, helping agents. Not a lot of people out here really helping agents on YouTube. That's why I do it. And not a lot of people out here look like me that does it. Another reason why I do it. How hard or how easy of a sell it is for each product. So when it comes to Medicare, it's more of an educational conversation that you're having with your clients when you're selling Obamacare as well. It's not about selling because they need the product. It's if you're teaching them how to understand and pick a plan that best fits their particular healthcare needs. That's when you be able to build a relationship with your client and help them pick a plan. It's just an easier sell when it comes to selling it because it's not about you need to get this product. You know what I'm saying? You're not selling it to them. You just basically presenting different options if you obviously have different options in your toolbox. So you do want to contract with different insurance carriers so that way you can give your clients different options so that way they can pick the plan that best fits their needs. So the key is to have more than one different carrier. Now, when it comes to life insurance, the sell part is a bit harder. Very easy concept. You're gonna get this life insurance policy, and this policy will go to your loved one when you pass away. But unfortunately, as human beings, we tend to be a little selfish. A lot of people are not really thinking about leaving money behind when they pass away. Even when it comes to like their funeral costs and things like that, some people are like, I ain't gonna be alive. I don't care. It's the truth. It's sad, but it's the truth. So when it comes to selling life insurance, it does take a little bit of education on why life insurance is very important and the number one way to pass wealth to your loved ones and your family. It's very important to have life insurance actually, but it is a harder sell to convince people that they do need life insurance and it's very important to have. And life insurance is really not that much if you get it when you're pretty young. And you definitely want to get life insurance when you're healthy. If you're watching this video right now and you have no interest of really being a life insurance agent and you need life insurance yourself, hit me up. I'll hook you up. So anyways, yeah guys, so that is the difference between Medicare or Obamacare insurance versus life insurance when it comes to like actually selling that product. Life insurance is a harder sell. Medicare is more about education and just helping someone pick the plan that best fits their needs. All right, let's talk about marketing when it comes to these two products. So how can you market for Medicare or Obamacare versus life insurance? Well, when it comes to health insurance, it is an easier marketing strategy in my opinion. You do have to put yourself out there. You do have to be able to go build relationships within your community, right? You don't have to do it that way. You can do Facebook ads and things like that. But I do believe in building a network in your community. So some of the things that you can do is, go to doctor offices, introduce yourself, let them know that you help clients with Medicare and health insurance, Obamacare and such. And if they have clients that need these products, you can be a point of contact. You could be a bridge between the doctor's office and someone that's looking for a doctor and looking for insurance as well. So those are one of the things that you can market yourself when it comes to health insurance. Now, when it comes to life insurance, in my opinion, I feel like it's a little harder. There's things you could do. You could post on your Facebook, you could post on your social media accounts and things like that. Educate your audience about life insurance. I think it's very important. I do feel like we are missing the education part in our society when it comes to life insurance, because life insurance is so important, and unfortunately so many people are living without life insurance. So I do think there is definitely a great opportunity to market in the life insurance space. It is more of a boring topic. So you definitely want to, have a great personality if you want to, market on social media and such, but it definitely can be done. So yeah, you have to be creative when it comes to marketing for life insurance, because like I said, it is a bit of a boring topic, but it is a very important topic to educate the community and market on social media or what have you when it comes to life insurance. You can also purchase leads for both products, Medicare and life insurance as well. For me, I feel like the easiest way to market life insurance is to cross-sell life insurance. So if I'm sitting with a client, I'm talking to them about Medicare, there are rules on how to cross-sell properly. You don't want to sell in the same appointment, but you can mention that, I also help my clients with life insurance as well. Do you want to set up another appointment and I can give you a free quote? So you could do it that way as well. So guys, those are the three main things, the differences between Medicare and life insurance sales. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.